spots. It just seems to be negative almost across the board today. What do you think's behind this change in sentiment?
It was red across the board except for one area, and that was the healthcare space. So it does look like investors very much defensive, and it's understandable why. When we look at what happened in the US, Yellen really pointing to a live December meeting for a rate liftoff over in the US and pointing to low unemployment, also continued growth and faith that there will be inflation over in the US. So those comments sent bond yields rising and stocks falling, and we saw the same in Australia here. So I guess when you have a look at comments like that, you would expect the high yielding areas of the market to be impacted, and certainly the banking sector came under pressure. NAB trading ex-dividend in that space, so having a negative impact, and Commonwealth Bank also coming out with first quarter numbers, but the stock down by 1%, even though there were no surprises there. But I think the thing to take out of today's trade is the fact that we saw such light volumes going through the market. Only $4 billion worth of stock being traded, and that's more typical of a Monday rather than a Thursday. We did have the Oaks Day races down in Melbourne, so that's probably a factor, but also the US non-farm payroll numbers tomorrow, so I suspect a lot of traders just staying on the sideways. From a technical point of view, just very quickly, this is the intraday graph. You can see that once we fell below that 5200 point, we tried to test it 1, 2 and 3 times and never quite made it. We got pretty close at the end, but still it does look like it's a psychological barrier for the market.
Martin Lake